Hey guys, welcome back to Real Auto Solutions. My name's Jack. I've got a 2020 Suzuki Jimny here. We're just going to show you how to do the cabin filter. Very simple on this car. It's right behind the glove box, so it is very difficult to get the glove box out with one hand. So literally all you got to do is press it in with two hands like that either side and pop the little tags out that just sit in here. Your filter is now here. Pop the cover off. And here's your filter. This filter is not too bad, it's not too dirty, so we're going to leave it. So we would pop the filter out, put the new one in. Note the direction of flow. This one wants to go up, some go down. Pop that back in the side there, get that cord out of the way. Push that back in. Then as far as putting this back up, again, needs two hands. Squeeze your tags back in and put your glove box back up. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Catch you next time.